Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is the truth about juice cleansers, why you should steer clear. Let's get started. Juice cleansers have gained popularity as a quick fix solution for detoxification and weight loss. However, beneath the appealing promises lie some harsh truths. In this video, we delve into the reality of juice cleansers and present compelling reasons why you should steer clear of them. Let's explore the potential risks and detrimental effects that these trendy cleansers can have on your health. Lack of essential nutrients. One of the major downsides of juice cleansers is their deficiency in essential nutrients. These cleansers often lack vital elements like protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which are necessary for maintaining proper bodily functions. Without these nutrients, your body can experience deficiencies that may lead to a range of health issues. Caloric deficiency. Most juice cleansers severely restrict calorie intake, resulting in a significant caloric deficiency. While rapid weight loss might seem tempting, it comes at a price. The severe calorie restriction can leave you feeling fatigued, weak, and lethargic. Additionally, this deprivation can slow down your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn calories effectively. Imbalanced blood sugar levels. Juice cleansers often rely heavily on fruits, which contain natural sugars. While fruits are generally healthy, consuming them in large quantities during a juice cleanse can lead to imbalanced blood sugar levels. The high sugar content can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by energy crashes, mood swings, and intense cravings. This rollercoaster effect on blood sugar can leave you feeling mentally and physically drained. Insufficient satiety. Juice cleansers lack the satiating components of a balanced diet, such as fiber and protein. Without these essential elements, you may find yourself feeling constantly hungry and unsatisfied during the cleanse. This lack of satiety makes it challenging to adhere to the cleanse and often leads to overeating once it's over, nullifying any short-term benefits you may have gained. Slowed digestion. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining regular bowel movements and promoting healthy digestion. Unfortunately, juice cleansers usually lack the necessary fiber content, leading to slowed digestion and potential digestive issues such as constipation. This sluggishness in your digestive system can be uncomfortable and have long-term consequences on your overall well-being. Muscle loss. One of the grave concerns associated with juice cleansers is the potential loss of muscle mass. Since these cleansers are low in protein, a vital macronutrient for muscle preservation, your body may resort to breaking down muscle tissue for energy. This can result in a decrease in lean body mass, a slower metabolism, and an increased likelihood of regaining weight once you return to a regular diet. Short-term solution, long-term consequences. While juice cleansers may offer the allure of rapid weight loss and detoxification, the results are often short-lived. Once you resume normal eating habits, the weight loss during the cleanse is likely to return. Moreover, the restrictive nature of juice cleansers can create an unhealthy relationship with food and potentially contribute to disordered eating patterns. Conclusion. Although juice cleansers may seem like an appealing path to a healthier lifestyle, it is vital to approach them with caution. The truth about juice cleansers reveals their potential risks, including nutrient deficiencies, caloric deficiency, imbalanced blood sugar levels, insufficient satiety, slowed digestion, muscle loss, and long-term consequences. Instead of relying on quick fixes, it is crucial to prioritize balanced, sustainable dietary choices that promote overall well-being and provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. If you got anything from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.